Let's barbecue some lamb chops today. Want to join me? I will show you how to barbecue them. Not because I'm an expert or anything, but I'm doing lamb chops and lamb shoulders. I washed them and I am gonna just add some salt and pepper. Let's not make this over complicated, just make it simple. I used to think that the hardest part was turning on the barbecue, making sure it's on and it has fire. Okay, thank you for joining me. I am going to clean the barbecue now. We like to clean the barbecue every time we start cooking because after we cook, we're too lazy to clean it. So the first thing that I'm going to put on the barbecue that takes the longest are the corn on the cobs, okay? No, this is not for you. I'm going to put it over here, okay? Spiky? So, woo! Okay, go play with it. I am definitely not a corn expert, and I took way too long to film this part. Corn takes the longest, so I'm going to leave it for a while. I just finished mincing garlic, which I'm going to add to the green beans. They are being boiling right now, and then I'll fry them. And in the meantime, let's take the meat outside. Let's add the meat. And let's turn around these. Ooh. Okay, I left the corn a little bit too long on. I might have burned one side, but whatever. Okay, let's take the meat and put it. Let's see. I did it. Let's see closer. Look at this. Look at this sizzling. Okay, so yeah, okay, I burned a few of these, but these look good. Okay, and one secret. There's only one secret to barbecuing. Don't touch the meat until, like, to turn it over. Don't turn it over until it can easily like detach from the barbecue. So if it's still sticky, don't move it. It's not ready on that side. So we just put it in. Let's see. Let's grab a sip of wine while we wait on the meat. How is everyone's Saturday? Mine is pretty good. Okay, everybody, there's a bunch of fire. There's a little bit of fire here going on. I think, calm down, everybody. I think, it's all the fat on the lambs that are doing that. But let's open this up. Let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Wow, this is cooking pretty fast. Okay, now that we drained the beans, I have them right here. I put a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'm going to try to make them. Let's see. Yummy. Everything is cooking super fast. So yeah, I'm a little bit concerned with the meat outside. One moment. salt. The corn. Yeah. Let's go outside. Okay. I think I'm taking the corn out. The beans look really good. Let's add some garlic. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I don't know about you, but I love garlic. Garlic is amazing. I think the beans are ready. I think they are. I'm just gonna shut them off and just keep them covered so they'll still be warm. I think it's time to take them out. Yeah. At least the tiny ones. The tiny ones, I'll take them out and check them until I cut them. That's my Okay, so we have the green beans here, the corn on the top with butter. See, I'm putting salt for my son. Make it. This is mine or yours? This is yours.
Oh.
And a big piece of lamb.
I want the small one.
Huh?
I want the small one.
You want the small one or you want the big one?
Actually, no. Give me the big one.
Oh, this looks amazing.
Don't eat it.
I think we did good. Should I cut it all for you or no?
Yeah.
Just like a little bit.
Yeah. Did you listen to that?
Yes, this is after my husband's recipe and I think we did it. It looks good. Look at this. This looks yummy. We made it, guys. We barbecued lamb. Mmm. This is good. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.